Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I created this star headband using UV resin, glitter, and pipe cleaners. This creation is part of the 30 Themes Resin Challenge that I've created, and the theme for this creation is Happy New Year! So, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to fold our pipe cleaner into a star, and to help me to do this, I'm going to be using a cookie cutter. Hopefully you get something that looks like this. Repeat the process so you've got 3 in total. Next, we're going to place our star onto some sticky tape. Add a layer of clear UV resin. Spread the UV resin out using a needle tool and make sure that you push the resin all the way to the edges so that it touches the wire of the pipe cleaner. Then we're going to add some silver glitter all around the middle and then put it under the UV light to let it cure once you're happy with how much glitter you have. After it's cured, add on another layer of clear UV resin on top and start adding in some silver sequin stars. We're also going to add in some glow-in-the-dark chunky glitter. Once you've finished, put it under the UV light to let it cure. Make sure you repeat the same process with the other 2 stars that you have, and once complete, peel them off from the sticky tape. Then you're going to grab some more pipe cleaners and start twisting it around your headband until you get something that looks like this. Then grab your stars and start attaching them to your headband. I started with putting one of them in the middle first, and then the other 2 on each side. Now that's complete, let's check out those glow-in-the-dark sequins that we put into the resin. And there you have it, our Happy New Year themed resin creation has now been completed. Now be sure to keep an eye out for the next few videos because they'll all be part of the 30 Themes Resin Challenge. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!